Jasmine farming is more than just cultivating fragrant flowers. It's a journey that blends tradition, science, and opportunity. Whether you're a farmer considering crop diversification, a gardening enthusiast, or someone simply captivated by the timeless allure of jasmine blooms, understanding the ins and outs of jasmine cultivation can open doors to both beauty and profit. In this deep dive, we'll uncover everything you need to know about jasmine farming, demystify best practices, and reveal how Smart Agri Hub is transforming this ancient art with modern technology. Let's start with the basics. Jasmine, celebrated for its intoxicating scent and delicate white or yellow blossoms, belongs to the genus Jasminum. There are over 200 varieties, but the most commonly cultivated for commercial purposes include Jasminum sambac, Jasminum grandiflorum, and Jasminum officinale. Each variety has unique characteristics, from flower size to fragrance intensity, and the choice of variety can influence your yields, market value, and suitability to local climate. Why is jasmine so popular across the globe? Its essential oil is a prized ingredient in perfumery, aromatherapy, and cosmetics. The flowers are used in teas, garlands, and religious ceremonies, particularly in Asia. With the global demand for natural fragrances and herbal products on the rise, jasmine farming offers a lucrative opportunity for small and large-scale growers alike. Selecting the right site for your jasmine farm is crucial. Jasmine thrives in well-drained, loamy soils rich in organic matter. It prefers slightly acidic to neutral pH, ideally between 6 and 7.5. The chosen location must receive plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, since sunlight directly influences flower production. While jasmine is relatively drought-tolerant, consistent moisture during the growing and flowering season ensures optimal yields. Before planting, soil preparation is key. Begin by plowing the soil to a depth of about 30 centimeters, removing weeds, stones, and debris, and incorporating well-rotted farmyard manure or compost. Organic matter improves soil structure, enhances water retention, and provides essential nutrients for healthy root development. Propagation of jasmine can be done through seeds, cuttings, or layering, but stem cuttings are the most popular and effective method. Select semi-hardwood cuttings from healthy, disease-free mother plants. Dip the cut ends in a rooting hormone to stimulate root growth, then plant them in nursery beds with a mix of sand and compost. Within 6 to 8 weeks, rooted cuttings can be transplanted to the main field. Spacing matters. Plant jasmine at intervals of 1.5 to 2 meters to allow ample growth and air circulation. This not only reduces the risk of fungal diseases but also makes harvesting easier. Water the young plants gently and regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Fertilization is another critical aspect of jasmine farming. Besides the initial application of organic compost, periodic doses of balanced NPK fertilizer promote vigorous growth and abundant flowering. Use nitrogen for leafy development, phosphorus for root establishment, and potassium for flower production. Incorporating micronutrients like magnesium and iron can further boost plant health. Pest and disease management is essential for a thriving jasmine farm. Common pests include aphids, mites, and whiteflies, which can damage leaves and buds. Regular inspection and prompt action are key. Use organic neem oil sprays or introduce natural predators like ladybugs to keep infestations in check. Fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and root rot can be managed by ensuring good air circulation, proper spacing, and avoiding overhead irrigation. Pruning is an often overlooked but vital practice. Regular pruning keeps the plants bushy, stimulates new growth, and improves flower yield. Remove dead or diseased branches, shape the plants after flowering, and thin out crowded stems. The best time for heavy pruning is just before the onset of the growing season. Let's talk about harvesting. Jasmine flowers are at their aromatic peak early in the morning, just before sunrise. Hand picking is preferred to avoid damaging delicate petals. Gather the blooms gently and avoid bruising, as damaged flowers lose their fragrance and market value. The harvested flowers should be processed or sold quickly to preserve freshness. Storage and post-harvest handling also play an important role. If immediate sale isn't possible, keep the flowers cool and dry to retain their scent and appearance. For essential oil extraction, process the blooms as soon as possible using steam distillation or solvent extraction methods, depending on the desired end product. Now, how can you maximize profits and efficiency in jasmine farming? This is where SMART-AGRI Hub comes into play. Leveraging digital tools and data-driven insights, SMART-AGRI Hub empowers farmers with real-time weather updates, soil health analytics, and pest management alerts. Using mobile apps, growers can track crop progress, schedule irrigation, and even access market prices to make informed decisions. The platform connects farmers directly to buyers, reducing middlemen and ensuring fair returns. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in agriculture. Jasmine farming is inherently eco-friendly, but adopting organic practices enhances soil health, reduces chemical residues, and appeals to health-conscious consumers. Consider companion planting with herbs like basil or marigold to repel pests naturally and boost biodiversity. Let's not forget the economic potential of jasmine cultivation. With rising global demand for natural fragrances, essential oils, and herbal teas, jasmine offers multiple revenue streams. Small farmers can start with minimal investment and scale up gradually, while larger enterprises can integrate value-added processing, such as oil extraction or packaged floral products. Marketing your jasmine products effectively is the final step. Use social media platforms to showcase your farm, tell your story, and engage with customers. Highlight the purity, sustainability, and unique fragrance of your jasmine. Collaborate with local florists, tea companies, and cosmetic brands to reach wider audiences. SMART-AGRI Hub's e-commerce integration makes it easier than ever to sell directly to consumers, both locally and internationally. In summary, jasmine farming is a rewarding venture that blends tradition, science, and innovation. By choosing the right variety, preparing the soil, implementing best cultivation practices, and harnessing modern agricultural technology, growers can achieve impressive yields and tap into vibrant markets. SMART-AGRI Hub is leading the way, turning age-old practices into smart, sustainable enterprises. Whether you dream of a garden filled with fragrant blooms or aspire to build a thriving jasmine business, the path is clear. With knowledge, passion, and the right tools, jasmine farming can bring beauty, prosperity, and a lasting connection to the land. Explore further, embrace new technologies, and let the timeless scent of jasmine guide your journey into the world of smart agriculture.